Hello everyone, my name is Miran Ahmed. Today I will walk you through Kroger Digital Strategy analysis how one of the most American larger retailer delivers technology to serve millions of customers daily. We will explore web technologies, e-payments, mobile e-commerce, CRM, cloud infrastructure, and business intelligence. Um, Kroger serves 23 million digitally engaged household and process as a stunning 500 billions Star My Card recommendation annually. The company has partnered with WorldPay to unify payment process across all channels, streamingly to customer experience from digital card to physical checkout. A hybrid multi-cloud strategy has dramatically reduced support ticket from 700 to just 7 per week after key application launches. Behind these capabilities is 84.51 uh, degree Kroger data science division, which powerful personalized while maintaining ethically privacy practice. Web technologies analysis. Kroger websites uses HTML5, CSS3, and jQuery to deliver responsive dynamic shopping experience that adapt seamlessly across the device. Semantic search helps customers find product and substitutes intuitively, reducing frustration and saving time. Predictive promos like "Did you forget something?" anticipate needs to customer near checkout, gently reminding them of commonly purchased items. Together, these technologies have made online cart uh, mm, feeling 4.5 times faster than previous version. Uh, E-payment system analysis. Kroger strategic e-payment partnership with WorldPay unify payment process across in-store, online, and mobile channels. Critical capability for partner for retailer opening 2,800 stores. This integration deliver faster, more secure checkout experience for Kroger. 11 million daily customers. Uh, Mobile commerce capabilities. Kroger dedicatedly iOS and Android apps support pickup, delivery, prescription refill directly from mobile devices, meeting customer while they are Kroger or Pay enable on-screen checkout with loyalty reward, including automatically smart suggest provider personalized product recommendation based on purchase history, making reordering effortless. CRMS system analysis. Cougar CRM is provided by 84.51 degrees Celsius. Its retail data science and media division. This company delivers 500 billion Star My Card recommendation annually through automation and relevancy science. A skill that few retailer can match. Cementing search and predictive promos guide customers through their purchase journey, while tailored product substitutes ensure outflow items are replaced with relevant automatics. iCloud storage. Cougar operates a hybrid multi-cloud environment combining Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and on-premises infrastructure. The company uses Dynamistic for full stack observability. Business Industrial Insights. Through 84.551 Cougar Corpusal Processing Platform, Promotion, Efficiency, and Household 10 across 23 million digital engaged household and weekly. Report to CRM band including KPI, computer company, and geographically variations. Here are these are the some references uses for our analysis. I even question is